Number 1. 1949 Ford Custom. Price: $19,500. Location: Lee's Summit, Missouri. The 1949 Ford Custom is a striking example of post-war American automotive design. Finished in a bold red exterior with a matching red and white interior, this classic sedan captures attention with its timeless style. It's powered by a strong V8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, offering a true vintage driving experience that's engaging and connected. The vinyl interior is both stylish and practical, with seatbelts installed for added safety. An AM/FM radio adds a touch of convenience, letting you enjoy music while cruising. This vehicle sits on radial tires, which enhance ride comfort and handling over older bias-ply designs. Whether you're a collector or simply love the character of mid-century automobiles, this Ford Custom is a great opportunity to own a well-preserved piece of American history. Cash only, no trades. Seller does not require assistance in selling the vehicle. Number 2. 1989 Chrysler TC by Maserati. Price: $3,000. Location: Boonville, Missouri. This 1989 Chrysler TC by Maserati is a unique collaboration between Chrysler and the Italian luxury car maker, offering a rare and stylish convertible experience. Finished in red with a beige leather interior, this classic has been driven 135,000 miles and is equipped with a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine and automatic transmission. It's known for being an enjoyable ride, especially with the top down. While some features like the power seats are no longer functional and the shocks show their age, the car still runs well and remains dependable for everyday use. Fuel efficient and fun, it also features a hand-stitched leather interior and an upgraded Alpine stereo system. With its distinctive design and limited production, this TC is a standout choice for those looking to drive something different from the usual. A great entry into classic car ownership with Italian-American flair. Number 3. 1956 Ford Thunderbird Coupe. Price: $48,500. Location: Sedalia, Missouri. This 1956 Ford Thunderbird Coupe is a beautifully restored classic with just over 70,000 original miles before undergoing a frame-up restoration totaling over $30,000. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a clean black interior, it retains its iconic 1950s style while offering important upgrades for reliability and comfort. Powered by a gasoline engine with an automatic transmission, this Thunderbird features power steering, power brakes, and electronic ignition for smoother operation. The tachometer and clock are both functional, and an aftermarket radio has been added, though the original unit remains intact. It sits on brand new Vogue tires with under 10 miles of use and has passed a Missouri State driver inspection. With a clean title and no major issues, this Thunderbird is ready for the road or show. A standout example of American motoring history, open to reasonable offers. Number 4. 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner. Price: $15,200. Location: Kansas City, Missouri. This 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner is a well-preserved classic with striking red paint and matching red interior. With only 999 miles on the odometer, it offers a smooth, quiet ride and is in very good condition throughout. The body is clean and glossy, free of noticeable flaws, while the interior reflects careful maintenance and pride of ownership. Equipped with an automatic transmission and a gasoline engine, it combines vintage appeal with ease of use. This Skyliner has always been kept in a protected space, shielded from weather exposure, pets, or smoke, which has helped preserve its original beauty. No known damage or accidents, and it comes with a clean title. A standout example of 1950s design, ready to be enjoyed as a weekend cruiser or added to a collection. A rare opportunity to own a hardtop convertible icon at an attractive price. Number 5. 1973 Mercury Cougar XR 7 Coupe. Price, $22,500. Location, Independence, Missouri. This 1973 Mercury Cougar XR 7 offers classic muscle car presence with comfort-oriented features. Finished in red with a white interior, it has 67,000 original miles and is in excellent condition inside and out. Powered by a gasoline engine with automatic transmission, it includes power steering, power disc brakes, and working factory air conditioning. Recent mechanical upgrades include a new radiator, belts, hoses, shocks, brakes, heater core, a seat compressor, distributor, carburetor, and carpet. It rides on new 15-inch Magnum 500 wheels wrapped in BFGTA radial tires with a matching spare. The front suspension has been refreshed and aligned for better handling. The factory AM/FM radio has Bluetooth capability for modern convenience. This Cougar has won multiple car show awards and runs and drives beautifully with no known issues. A solid, well-maintained example of 1970s American style and performance. Number 6. 1960 Ford Thunderbird. Price, $25,000. Location, Fairway, Kansas. This 1960 Ford Thunderbird is a beautifully restored classic that reflects top-tier craftsmanship. Finished in vibrant red inside and out, it has 55,555 miles and comes with a clean title and Missouri rebuild documentation. This car underwent a complete frame-off restoration and has won senior-level awards, highlighting its exceptional quality. It features working factory air conditioning, power windows, power seat, and an automatic transmission. All electronics have been updated, making it both reliable and enjoyable to drive. Real wire wheels add to its vintage charm, and it starts easily every time. With smooth performance and no known issues, this Thunderbird is a standout example of 1960s American luxury and style. Always garage kept and carefully maintained, it's ready for weekend drives, shows, or private collections. Number 7. 1979 AMC Spirit DL. Price, $3,800. Location, Trimble, Missouri. This 1979 AMC Spirit DL is powered by a 3.8L 232 inline-six and offers a solid project or driver for classic car fans. Believed to have been off the road since around 2001, it was previously owned by an older lady and parked for decades. After being brought back to life, several components were replaced, including the radiator, thermostat, water pump, heater core, brakes front and rear leaf springs, fuel pump, and valve stem seals. The fuel tank and carburetor were cleaned, and lifters were replaced. One had collapsed after the engine began running well. It currently runs and drives, though the carburetor may still need some minor adjustment. A good survivor with most mechanical issues sorted, this AMC Spirit is a great opportunity for someone looking to enjoy or further restore a unique slice of late 70s American motoring. Number 8. 1962 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $28,500. Location, Fairgrove, Missouri. This 1962 Chevrolet Nova is a heavily upgraded two-door build that blends vintage style with modern performance. Finished in sleek black inside and out, it's powered by a carbureted 383-stroker engine running on E85 fuel, paired with an automatic transmission. It features a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear end for link suspension with frame rail connectors and a bolt-on front end with manual steering. A new iterated steering column has been installed, along with four-wheel disc brakes for improved stopping power. The entire electrical system has been rewired from front to back, making it both cleaner and more reliable. With no known issues and a clean title, this Nova is ready for cruising, shows, or track use. A bold, aggressive build for someone looking for a true street machine with serious hardware and style. No trades. Seller does not need assistance selling. Number 9. 1949 Plymouth Special Deluxe. Price, $7,000. Location, Yates Center, Kansas. This 1949 Plymouth Special Deluxe is a solid running and driving classic with an original flathead engine converted to 12 volts for improved reliability. The exterior is painted white, complemented by a blue custom interior that gives it a distinctive look. Equipped with modern halo headlights and LED taillights, it blends vintage style with some updated touches. The car sits on new tires and generally performs well, though there is a mild rear-end leak and the battery may drain over time. The seller notes the vehicle has not been heavily cleaned or detailed and is being sold as is. This Plymouth represents a great value for someone looking for a dependable, classic cruiser with room for some finishing touches. Trades may be considered, especially for muscle cars from 1965 to 1974, side-by-side UTVs, or rat rods. Price negotiable. Number 10. 1988 Oldsmobile Toronado Trofeo Coupe. Price, $4,799. Location, Columbia, Missouri. This 1988 Oldsmobile Toronado Trofeo Coupe is a reliable classic with 136,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a gray exterior with a striking red interior. The car is powered by a Tornado V6 3400 engine and has undergone a recent transmission rebuild by a local shop. Many parts have been replaced or upgraded, including new tires, rims, brakes, catalytic converter, spark plugs, wires, and front struts. The air ride system is in good working order, and the AC will function with a recharge. Minor repairs, such as strut mounts, are planned soon. This Toronado runs, drives, and stops well, making it suitable as a dependable daily driver or a unique show car. With its rarity and solid condition, this Oldsmobile could also be a smart investment for collectors. Price is negotiable. Number 11. 1964 Ford Thunderbird. Price, $18,000. Location, Kansas City, Missouri. This 1964 Ford Thunderbird is a classic American coupe finished in bright yellow. With 90,661 miles on the odometer, it features an automatic transmission and delivers a smooth, comfortable driving experience. The Thunderbird is known for its distinctive styling and powerful performance, making it a popular choice among vintage car enthusiasts. This vehicle is well-maintained and retains much of its original charm, perfect for collectors or anyone looking to enjoy a stylish ride from the 1960s. The interior and exterior complement each other well, offering a timeless look. Whether for cruising or adding to a classic car collection, this Thunderbird represents a solid opportunity to own an iconic piece of automotive history at a reasonable price. Clean title and ready to drive. Number 12. 1973 Dodge Dart Swinger. Price, $21,500. Location, Springfield, Missouri. This 1973 Dodge Dart Swinger features a beige exterior and tan interior with 59,000 original miles. Powered by a 318 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this factory AC car runs smoothly and blows cold air. The Dart is clean and unmodified, with tasteful upgrades, including an aluminum 4-barrel intake, dual Flowmaster exhaust, and new Holley 600 Street Warrior carburetor. Recent maintenance includes a new ballast resistor, ignition control module, fuel tank and straps, fuel pickup, battery, heater core, and heater control valve. The original broadcast sheet is intact, confirming its authenticity. Inside, the interior remains in outstanding condition, reflecting careful ownership. With a clean title and ready to drive, this Dart Swinger offers a great blend of classic muscle car style and reliable performance. A solid choice for enthusiasts seeking a dependable vintage cruiser.